Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been genuinely forever since I've made a video on this channel. I have been making workout videos on my workout channel, so please look in the description below. They will be there. Thank you. I have reviewed this wig before. I bought it in burgundy. I've worn that thing out. I have worn that thing clear out, down into the ground, through the tunnels. But I don't think I ever posted the video for that, so if I still have the footage, I will edit that and get that posted. I finally got my grubby little claws on this stupid wig in a color that is not that disgusting rat ass orange. Let me take that back, because I might buy that. I might buy it in orange too. I'm a hypocrite. Any color that isn't the orange, the misty, or burgundy. Burgundy is pretty much always in stock. You can't get it in high coconut. You can't get it in high vanilla. 1B, I believe they have a 2. A jet black is just impossible to get your hands on. Once it is in stock, you really have to grab it. I don't know who is buying it up like that, but stop it. Stop it. Get some help, because I would like to have it in basically all the other colors. I think this wig is like my signature style for my face shape and kind of the look I'm going for. I just really like it. If you don't know a lot about Maven, Maven is Bombshell's like younger sister. She is shorter, but in my opinion, she's almost cuter. And like I said, I got her in 1B, but she also comes in like some other really gorgeous colors. That's her name. Miss Penny is always in stock. I'm sure she is really cute. She probably is really cute on the right person. I feel like it's gonna give a little like do, and I don't want that. So excited. I will say my only complaint with like this wig so far, the cap on the sides, like near your ear, you can see the cap construction, or at least you can on the burgundy one. Okay, so here we have some lace parting. So let's just take a second to appreciate the beauty that is this wig. We have some really gorgeous layers. Like I said, she is a 1B, so when you hold her in the light, you can see strokes of brown. Inside cap construction. We have one comb in the back, one comb on the left, comb on the right. You do have your usual adjustment straps back here. This is what the lace looks like on the inside. It is literally just this nice lace part. Quick, let me just show you how I tighten her. I put her on these two middle pieces. Okay, sorry, I had to get that one out. She is so fine. Okay, we're gonna pull her to the side so you guys can really just get a glance. Actually, not even a glance. Get yourself a good look. Get yourself a good look. Thank you. My sister just said she looked good, and I know she looks good. She looks sexy. I will say I do like to brush her out. You know, give her a little zhoosh, a little volume. Let me show you guys her pre-brush. Okay. Even though I have on the dark cap, it's not looking fake or stupid. But sometimes it does look stupid. So let me show you the back real quick. This is the back. And then just for lengthwise, y'all better be looking at the length and nothing else. Just for lengthwise, I am about like 5'8". I want to say like lower bra strap length. I don't know if that's a length, but I think it's a length. We are going to do light brushes from the bottom to the top. Now let's remember, she is a synthetica. We are going to treat her as such. We're going to treat her gentle, with love. Like I said, from the bottom to the top. Make it drop. That's a wrap. I will say, since she is black, it's not like looking too bad cap wise. I know you guys can see it. You guys can 110% see the cap, but it's not going to be noticeable to the locals. Let me show you something that I just absolutely am obsessed with when it comes to this wig and the way I style it, okay? Comb out all the layers, right? And then Ishka, Bishka, Mishka, Mickey Mouse. I know what I'm doing. Don't make me say something crazy! Like, is she stunning or is she gorgeous? Because I do believe that she might be stunning. And I do believe that she is also gorgeous. Guys, like, if you want a beautiful, soft, curtain bang wig, she is the goods, the grabs, the gots. I do have some downsides, and I'm going to share those downsides with you right now. You guys know exactly what you're buying. Downsides. Now, my red wig I've had for a few months. There is shedding, and like I said, I do brush it almost every time I wear it. Looks like we only have, I want to say maybe 5 hairs in the brush, which is not bad. Obviously, it's a synthetica, so the more you brush, the more you get. Matting. I will say, back behind your neck, this little bit back there, that matte look. Now, it's not gonna look as bad as that poor child that I saw on TikTok with that blonde wig that looked like it had a crunch like toast. It's not gonna look that bad, but it really does start to get there, so you are gonna have to start cutting layers or like shaving down the matte. Like I said, it's a synthetic wig. You know what you're getting with synthetic. You know how to use synthetic. Yes, we are not new to this club. So that isn't terrible, but I do wish it was better. I do feel like the red wig was starting to irritate my ears, like behind my ears, but I also think that was the way I was wearing it. Sometimes it does slip, especially because I choose to wear caps under instead of my hair. My hair is still short. It ain't got nothing to grab onto. I do wear the caps. But other than that, let's see what else. I think those might be my only complaints. I'm not gonna lie. The part on this, let me give you guys a little closer. Like, you can see some dots, a little bit. But in my mind, they are not horrific. What else? Guys, I don't think I have anything else to say about this hair. Genuinely think I have an obsession with it. I think I love it. It's an easy throw on and go. If you do not want to deal with cutting lace, if you cannot glue the lace down, don't even deal with it anymore. Buy yourself one of these. I'm telling you, it'll change your life. It's just an easier way to spoil yourself with a cute hairstyle without having to pay out the nose, first of all, and then second of all, just go through the struggles. Like, your hair should not be a struggle. Looking hot and confident should not be a struggle. It should be as easy as putting it on, brushing it, doing it, Uska, Mishka, Mickey Mouse, whatever I said before, and just be done with it. So, my thoughts on this wig. I am going to give the look a 10 out of 10. I'm going to give the softness at the moment a 10 out of 10. The curtain of the bang, a 10 out of 10. The length, 10 out of 10. Now, longevity-wise, I will say, I had the other one for maybe about a month or two before it started doing the horrible tangling. And even that, like, you can brush it out and it'll still look hot for, like, maybe an hour. Yeah, the tangling, I'm gonna give, looks-wise, I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10. And then actual tangle-wise, because you can brush through it perfectly fine. It's just, you know how the edges start to look like split ends on a synthetic wig. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. So that is a big downside for me. But other than that, I genuinely think this wig is a good investment. If you want to get multiples of the same color, or if you want to get one of each of the colors, I suggest you do it before I do it myself. Now, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed unboxing this wig for you. I enjoy seeing this wig finally and absolutely falling head over heels for it. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Elmar. Boom.
If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. All of the above helps me out greatly. And it also just gives me confidence, guys. I am a small content creator, and I would just love to know that people are appreciating my work. Who wouldn't love to know that? So, yeah. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!